Hey guys, well, unfortunately kind of same stuff, different day. The tables are all ready. They're still sitting on sawhorses because the pedestals are over in the other building and man, just completely out of space. And I had to drag my little boat out of the front of one of the spray booths because we took the conference tables over there and shot them. And but they were supposed to leave here a good while ago, and now they're telling us it's going to be the 18th. And we have done moved and moved and moved. So you really can't get to nothing.
Looks like a real production shop in here.
Yeah, but we're out of room.
Yeah. To do anything
do
else.
Some more production. Yeah, you can't do nothing. What an ordeal. We can go up here in the spray booth, and of course also leaving is all these Morris chairs, this little dresser, but absolutely no room.
Bases look nice.
You what?
The bases came out nice.
The what?
The bases came out nice.
Oh yeah. Well, you saw all the flipping, flopping, trace cut. I mean, you know, the only thing we got left to do, and we just, because of the delay, just haven't done it, is screw down. We screw down a batten across this that will attach to the top. And again, it acts as a batten, but it also secures the top. A batten, of course, to keep it from ever cupping. And again, the other building is just as full.
Are you going to put the electronics on, or are they?
They are.
Okay.
Well, it's just a plug, you know, it's just a receptacle.
Right.
And they're pretty neat. You can put it in there in 5 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
And the reason for it is it's got this great big pigtail on it for plug in.
Right.
And trying to ship it, and them things flopping all over the place and whatever. Every day, you keep thinking to yourself, what was I thinking? So again, this is just...
Yeah. You don't really want to move them. You can move them all in here, but you really don't want to move them all again.
Well, I can't even get them in here.
Yeah, I mean, stacked up. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean...
Yeah.
And besides that, them 14 footers,
Yeah, you don't want to move them.
the cherry one you just saw, getting it from the back up here,
Right.
decided right then and there they weren't moving again. And outside of lifting them off and back up, they haven't moved. But I don't know how well you can see across it, but that old guy, that big old sander, grinder, polisher, they're flat.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And of course, as you've seen, we had them together, and so everything was sanded and leveled. Yeah, they're having problems finding a shipper.
Mm.
And, you know, this is a little different animal.
Yeah. You come down, wrap them up, load them up, the size. I'm sure.
Yeah.
So you didn't like my idea.
What?
Build a case around them, put some wheels on it, and wheel them out. A lot more work.
Yeah. More work, more wheels. And
Yeah, yeah. Oh. Well, good job.
and we're done.
Right.
That's the best part.
I was just going to say, that's the best part.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, well, we're going to start trying to clean up a little bit, but that's about it.
Right.
But we'll try and come up with something next week, but yeah, like I told you, this is like eating an elephant. You can only do it one bite at a time, but man, it's a lot of chewing. So I'll catch you next week, and let's hope we're done and these things are gone, but I don't know. They said no later than the 18th. Tomorrow would be nice. Wow. Okay, guys, I'll catch you next week.
'Cause he's an old